In this video, we're going to take a look at BTS Cart. We're going to do an installation. We'll open the app. We'll play the practice level, and we'll do some shopping, buying ourselves another level, and then we'll play. Start by going to your favorite app store. I'm going to the Google Play Store. Search for BTS Cart and tap Install, and then wait for the app to finish installing. It's a similar process on all of the different app stores. As I said, I'm just using the Play Store. In a moment, that open button will be enabled, and then I'll be able to open the app directly from the Play Store. You'll be able to do this from your store as well. Okay, there we go. The open button is activated, so now I'm going to open it directly from the Play Store. Simply tap on the open button, and the app will open. I know you can't hear it, but I've got music volume playing, so I'm just going to turn the music down, and once the music is turned down, we'll play this practice level. Playing the practice level is pretty easy. Just tap on the practice button, and then tap start. The level will load. Tap play. You'll get a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and then you can play the level. I'm using the on-screen controls. You can also use keyboard, and you can also use gamepad. And I'll just circle around the next corner, and then I'm going to tap the escape button in the top right-hand corner, and I'll exit from this practice level by tapping the exit button. Now let's do some shopping. If you want to recover your purchases, you'll need to create an account. Creating an account is pretty straightforward. Tap the BTS Shop button, tap the New Account button. A new account is automatically created. To claim it, you need to enter a password, so tap Password, and then enter your password into the password field. You'll probably want to use a better password than this, and then tap Verify Password, enter the same password, and now tap Connect. And now you're connected and you've claimed that account, so you can buy coins by tapping Buy Coins. Here you'll run through whatever the process is for your Play Store to buy coins. Again, I'm using Google Play, so we just go through the one-tap purchase. And now that we have coins, we can close the store, and we're ready to purchase the Easy Ramps level. Just tap 25 coins and it's purchased, and now we can go on to play that level. Playing a level is straightforward. Tap on the name of the level, in this case Easy Ramps. Tap on Start. The level loads, tap on Play. Ready, set, go. And you see on the right hand side there's the upward arrows, that's jump. I'm just going to tap jump, so I jump when I reach the end of the ramp. Let me do that one more time. I'll jump at the end of this ramp as well. Okay, there you go. And just like the previous level, if you want to exit before the level's over, just tap on that escape button in the top right hand corner, the pause play escape button, and tap on exit. And that's all there is to BTS Cart.